with you. Oh, that's your best friend, I'm trying to fuck with you. First met the bitch, they said real sister. I don't give a fuck if it's real sister. Fuck around with me, tryna dodge bullets. Turn around the chickens and dodge bullets. Turn around with me, tryna dodge bullets. Fuck around with me, I fuck 12 sisters. Shit, living on the beach, tryna dodge prison. Traveling in the street, that's some margin.
Have you noted your sunroof?
Huh?
Have you checked your sunroof
There's
out
no point
lately?
in putting that back in there.
Yeah.
This is gonna fly back up
jump around.
So slightly cloudy with a chance of scattered sunroof.
Yeah, something like Let's put it on park and pound.
I would love to see what it
See, that ain't even right. You've got to just see what my camera catches everything I'm doing.
Here we go, ready? Low note. Like, I'm not sure that's safe for it.
It ain't coming out.
Partly cloudy with a chance of sunroof. Scattered sunroof. That was pretty good. Rattle. So low.
Tell that thing's heavy.
Oh yeah, she's trying to squat.
It's walled, not low.
Yeah. There you go.
Go get in.
All
You know what? I do like them when they beat like crazy, but I like motor cars.
You won't get any better than that.
Well, you always, but you got the. When you gonna come set my amp anyway?
I don't know.
Hey, never. Next time I see you on the interstate, I'm gonna nudge you in the rear end, and you go, oh. But you said it next time.
Stuff down in my denim, my blood. Take a gram of cushion, roll it in a blunt. I'm going, what I spit the niggas, spit it in a month. Yeah, I'm trying to roll that money like a killer. Roll that kush like a killer. Roll that money like a killer. Roll that kush like a killer. I got that in my cup. They put the fire back. I can buy a key. Put it slowly on. Put the fingers up down. Suck the piss from them. One rats on blood, one rats on all the tools I made. I need to go mail. I'm first place. All the songs I play.
Hey, that was the guy that was.
It ripped my hat off my head and just started doing circles with it. It's like you see people that can hold it.
No, go do it again.
Say you can't go jump.